Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to solder EC3 connectors onto a Lipo battery. Okay, so some things you may need to do this. A soldering gun, a Stanley knife, a pair of scissors and a screwdriver. Okay, so we'll start with red wire. And as you can see, there's some heat shrink around the end of the wire. And what you want to do is just cut this end off. Now go careful here, you don't want to cut your hand. And flip that bit off. So as you can see, there's a tiny bit of the wire there. You want to cut a bit more of that heat shrink off. Like so. Okay, so you'll need something to hold the gold connector in place. So what I've got here is just a pair of pliers with an elastic band wrapped around the arms, just to pinch that and hold that in place. Alright, so you have to be quick with this bit and get it done as quickly as possible before the solder sets. So what you want to do is have your battery ready, have your cable ready. You want to put a bit of solder in that, a bit more. Okay, so you want to keep that solder warm in there now by resting the soldering gun on the pin. And what you're going to do is simply dip the wire in that solder. Like so. Hold it in that position. That solder should now be set. Yep, and there you go, there's a bit hot, but that's nice and strong on there, it won't come loose. Now, so this will be for the positive side. Red goes to the different shape, the D-shaped connector. Okay, you may find now that the connector is too loose. Just too loose in the blue EC3 connector. So what you want to do is, this is what I do anyway. I simply now put a tiny bit of solder around here. Okay, so as you can see, a bit of solder around that edge. Now the soldering gun just flatten it out a bit and like that. So now the gold pin should be hard to push in. This is where you need your screwdriver. So by lying the connector down like that and pushing on top of the screwdriver, you push the pin inside very tight. And it's important it's tight, you don't want it to come loose at any point. Okay, so that's the black one done. That's the red one done, sorry. And now that won't come loose. Well, it will if you really pull it, but okay. Same black one. And there you have your finished EC3 connector.